Let's talk about the difference between the word effect, spelled with an E, and the word effect, spelled with an A. Effect with an E, that's a noun, and it means the result, as in cause and effect. For example, the effect of the chemical was redness and irritation. Affect as a verb means to have an impact on. For example, the detergent affected the color of my shirt. And that's basically the whole story. Just kidding. That's not even barely a tenth of the story. The story is just getting started with these two words, and we're not even going to explore the whole story in this video. There are many, many, many definitions to these words, but let's take one particular journey and talk about another definition of how it's pronounced in this case is affect. Affect, which is just spelled exactly the same as effect, it means the observable emotion. It's a noun. For example, the woman had a happy affect. In certain psychological diseases or psychiatric diseases, people have a flat affect, in which in every circumstance their face looks the same. Their emotions don't really register on their face in any meaningful way. But we're not done. From this definition of affect, you have another word, which is now a verb that comes from this noun. It comes from the noun affect, and it's pronounced affect. So it means to pretend to have an emotion. The con artist affected sadness at the funeral. Sarah affected happiness when her sister won the lottery. That means the con artist was just pretending to be sad. Or Sarah was just pretending to be happy because she was actually jealous, but she was pretending to be happy. We're still not done with just this one path of these words. Affected, which is an adjective that comes from this verb. This verb means to fake an emotion. It comes from the noun, which means emotion. Here's somebody with a happy affect, if you remember that. You can have a con artist affecting sadness. Affected, which is an adjective that comes from that verb, just basically means fake and pretentious, designed to impress. So if somebody's acting in an affected way, it means that they are acting in a fake, pretentious way that's designed to impress people. In other words, they are faking the emotion, just like the con artist, but specifically in a way that's fake and pretentious and designed to impress.